Yo, what's up guys? So quick little video today. I'll be sharing 2 ways you can snipe on secondary markets. These 2 techniques have literally saved me so much soul. It's no joke, and I've made a bunch of money doing it. For some reason, nobody's sharing this, and I just want to provide some value for you today. Here's a quick meme, but go ahead, follow me on Twitter if you want, like this video, subscribe to the channel, but only after I've done my job and you've learned something today. So let's get straight into it. Alright, 2 strategies I want to share with you. Quick disclaimer, I didn't make this. Shout out to the Fun Guys team, and I believe if you hold a Stone Frogs, they have their own version of this as well. But like I said, I think this is really valuable. It can help you save a lot of soul and get things for a discount. Let's start. Strategy 1, the liquidity sniper. Step 1, go to your favorite collection and select the NFT. I usually filter to recently listed to see who wants to sell at the moment of the market. But this strategy can work with floor listings also. So head on over to Magic Eden and go select the collection that you want. What I normally do is I filter from low to high, and then I see if they're also in the recently listed section. Step 2, go to the activity section and select the transaction ID of the listing. Step 3, in account input section, you'll be able to see the remaining SOL balance of the NFT holder after he listed it for sale. If you see below 1 SOL, then you can proceed with an offering. If a new project is launching, then there's a good chance that the NFT owner will want to mint that project and needs liquidity. In this case, you'll make an offer for 70 to 75% of the listed value, and the chances that they will accept are very high. This strategy is also great for buying NFTs at a cheaper price or getting the rare ones at floor price. So the floor price for this project is 3.98. So go to recently listed, see who's listing a little bit above floor price or at the floor. So this guy has his listed for 3.98. Let's see who else is within that range. We have a couple of floors here. So let's just check this guy's out, right? Because he listed at the floor. All right, scroll down to the activities where it says listing, click on the transaction ID, and once you're on the site, you can actually see how much SOL this person currently has in his wallet. The blockchain never lies. This is his history. This is all the transactions that he's been having. This is how much balance the person has. And that's a really neat trick that a lot of people actually aren't really talking about. And normally, if the person has below 1 SOL, they're more likely to accept your offer. Now, what I do that you can do as well is click on a random NFT. Let's say this one. Scroll down over here and click on the Soul Scan link right here. Now, it'll take you to the Soul Scan, which pretty much does the same thing. And over here, it says this person has 0.7 SOL right now sitting in his wallet. It's not that much. So what I would do is make an offer on his NFT. So he's selling his NFT for 4.5 SOL, and it has unique traits. It has the laser eyes. It looks pretty clean in my opinion. It's a decent rank, below 1,000, and I can make an offer for 4 SOL, and this person might accept it, right? Just make sure you're outbidding these people right here. And in addition to that, what I normally do is I just make multiple offers on the floor, and I would literally make 5 pages of offers. So in this scenario, if I was buying another Fun Guys, the floor price is sub 4 SOL. What I would do is I would throw offers for 3.3 to 3.5, and that is a good discount. I guarantee you, most of the time, someone will accept it. And that's basically what I do. Rinse and repeat. You can make a bunch of SOL off the bat just doing this. Don't hate the player, hate the game. And what I like to add to that is buy something that you can make profit instantly. So whenever you sell, you will make profit. Get leverage always. Make a decision to buy something because there is profit, not because there might be profit. Okay, moving on. Strategy 2, the human sniper. Step 1, go to your favorite collection and search for the best NFT out there, or one that suits you well. Step 2, search for it on Soul Rarity Discord and DM the last person who searched for it. If the collection is new on the market, then for sure the last person who searched for it is the holder of the NFT. If he is the holder of the NFT, then you can start the negotiation process. So what that looks like is you hop onto Soul Rarity on Discord. If you don't know what it is, it's basically a free tool where you can search for the rarity of your NFT. If you aren't on their Discord, look them up on Twitter. There will be a link in their bio where you can join. Once you're on their Discord, search for the NFT that you want. Let's say it's Fun Guys. look up fun guys. And if you want this rare one right here, just start by DMing the owner and then you can go from there. So how you negotiate with them is basically up to you. Feel free to pause on the slides here for some inspiration. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you learned something new. I hope I delivered you some value today. Support me by liking and subscribing to the channel. That's it for me today. See you in the next one. Peace and love.
Turn it off.